Hello, welcome to the EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this Tokyo Marui MP7, a gas blowback. This has had a upgraded tight wall barrel, the upgraded hop rubber from Nineball, and the EagleSix Flat Nub, just to put a bit more pressure on those heavier ammos. So I recommend with these MP7s, out of the box that they wear in a little bit, is to cock them before you insert the magazine. It just means that the first one's potentially a dry fire, then the second one is feeding after that. We just want to demonstrate it working, after the work's completed, so you can see how everything operates. It goes backwards. There we go. Okay, so all tested. We hope you enjoy. Great little guns, and yeah, have fun. Thank you.